Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pumping right now. World pumping, which I bought. Right now, I'm only holding world long, world spot, uni spot, and I'm going to buy a ton spot right now. I want to be very careful with leverage longs up here because yesterday I had a great trade at 87K on Bitcoin, went to 92K, was huge in the profits, around $5,000 times 4 Bitcoin. So it's $20,000 in the profits. Then it dropped down, hit stop loss at 86,000 something, 86,500, then bounced back to 90K. So I've got to be very careful with leverage longs up here. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Actually, we'll go straight into my account. I was just about to buy a ton, and then I decided to make the video. So I'll keep doing, so I'm buying ton right now on this breakout. So this is the technical pattern that I just took screenshots to actually post it that I'm about to buy a ton. So the big support is at $4.50, but if we zoom out on the weekly, we can see it's breaking this big pattern that it's been on since the beginning of the year. Massive descending triangle. In March, ton went from $1 from last year, February, this year, it went from $1.70 all the way to $8 and then pulled back to $4.20. And now you can see volume is increasing, but the main thing you can see, descending triangle is breaking out. You see that? Huge descending triangle builds pressure and breaks out. The base of the triangle is the distance that I expect it to go. So this is a breakout trade that I'm taking right now in Tron, but I'm just going to do stop. So target would be $8.20. Then on the weekly, then we go closer on the daily, and you can see that there's a little bullish pennant forming. Then if we go closer on the hourly, it's pumping right now as I'm speaking. So you've got this little bull flag or bullish pennant and form the pennant. The target of this trade would be $5.80 is one resistance. And it lines up with that resistance. Then the next big resistance would be up here, $7.20. So I'm buying right now ton, $5.30. I'm going to buy $50,000 worth of ton. Look, I put the trade $5.368. Now it's $5.380. So I'm buying $50,000 worth of ton. It cost me another $100 to wait to make it in the video. 50K, boom. Let's see if my trade executes. So getting a little bit front run. See my little buy at $5.380 and now it's $5.385. So the 50K trade is getting a little bit front run. So I'm going to do a little bit of what I'm going to do is I'll do it in 10K lots. So 10K here, 10K here, 10K here. My trades are getting front run, you see, 10K here. So I have to be careful. So one of them went through. It's still pushing up. Let's see if it activates. 5383. So how much of it did I get? I got so far, uni, I've got 49K, world 76K, MCRT 89K, ton 10K. So I want to buy more. See, but my buy has pushed it a little bit. I've got to be careful. Okay, it's coming back down a bit. So let's do it here. Another 10K at this current price. Okay, it's going up as I'm trying to buy. Wow, cool. It's pumping as I'm buying. Okay, one went through, 10K. 5390. Let's see if this other 10K goes through. So now I've got so far 20K ton. I'm going to put another 10K. So that'd be 40K ton. And another 10K here. That would be 50K ton. So there's 30K sitting there. You see those three orders? Let's see if they manage to actually click on, and then I'll jump into the Bitcoin technicals. This account 791. Yesterday was 878 and then 840. I withdrew about 100K, so it's actually, this account is 890 to seed invest, OpenAI, etc. But yesterday took a big hit from 840 down to 779. Now we're back to 790. So still down about 50K from yesterday. But getting a bit of a bounce back today on the account. Let's see if these ton orders execute. No, damn it, it's going up as I'm trying to buy it. Okay, so I'll just, now the orders are coming, the 3 dots, you see my 3 dots? Okay, I'll leave them. If it doesn't execute, I'll come back and add more. So right now, I've got 20 ton. Let's see if it executes by the end of the video. And you can see my trade from yesterday, or my futures trade, I've still got this world trade open, minus 15,000. It's a minus 26%, but it's $60,000 trade, $200,000 trade. And my Bitcoin trade from yesterday, unfortunately, look at that. I bought it here, 89, it went to 92, and then came down, hit stop loss, and then bounced and went back to 90. Okay, all the ton trades just activated. Yep, now all the ton trades are going through, and I've got $50,000 worth of ton. So I've got 50. So now I'm 373 in cash, plus 76 world, 49 ton, 49 uni, which is beautiful. 791 on the account, and the world trade is currently down around 16K, but I've still got it open, and I made the liquidation under $1.70. It was down actually 30K at one point, but it's getting a bounce back. So 791 in the account, and now I've got this ton order, and I'm going to set alerts. So my take profits are $5.80 would be one big resistance, but I won't take the profit there. My goal would be, the target would be $8. There'll be a big resistance here, so I'll take profit at $7.30, or I'll check it again there. So I set an alert now. Let's go into, this is the market. XRP up 14% on the announcement that Gary Gensler is getting fired. Doge up a little bit today. Bitcoin up 3%. Let's order it by what's percentage. Tesla was down a lot on the announcement of the EV credit being. The GOAT is up 30% today. Remember when I told everyone, I've just posted on X again. I'll show you here, James Crypto Guru on X, and you can see here, GOAT up 30% today, 76% in the past 3 months. I saw this posted yesterday. I wanted to buy yesterday when I went to sleep. This was from Arthur Hayes. When I read about the AI that launched its own meme coin and religion, I immediately aped in. GOAT, he posted at 29 cents. I said I went to sleep when I saw that post, but then when I woke up, it was already pumped, 30%. Guru Ventures bought GOAT at 35 cents. And now GOAT is $1.10, everyone. So that's almost the 400 or 300% gain, which is beautiful. Magic Graph live stream, and they just released a new update. The Doge skin is now live. New Magic Craft update is here. Web3 lobbies, added Web3 compatible lobbies. So now Web2 is in the so Web3 lobbies are now inside the games. Telegram chat integration, Doge Vega skin. So there's a Doge skin will be available for everyone for the first few days. Then it will only be available to the people that hold the MCRT. And you can see the things that they're updating with the new Doge skin, which is awesome. Let's go on to the Bitcoin technicals. So GOAT up 30%. XRP World is up $3.50, getting a big bounce. Bitcoin up 3%. Ton up 2.7%. Total market cap 2.9 trillion. Doge up a little bit. Sol up a little bit. Sui up a little bit. That's what's happening in the market. Let's go into Bitcoin. 90,000. So we're broken out of the bull flag on the daily. The Bitcoin indicator, the Crypto Guru bot and Bitcoin indicator, Crypto Guru bot tried to buy at 20K. It's still a blue buy now at 90K, which is amazing. If you follow just the Guru bot indicator, you get at jamescryptoguru.com. You're now up on Bitcoin 310% since 2023, which is beautiful. Bitcoin indicator bot also fired a buy 3 weeks ago, and we've been pumping since. Stochastic heading up on the daily. We've got a little bit of a bull flag. Look at that, pole and flag forming here. It's following up this trend line. So now we've got a trend line to follow on Bitcoin. This has been since 70K. So it's following up 76K, 88K. So you can see it's following up that trend line. If this trend line continues, then we could be hitting 100K by the 23rd of November. But now I want to be mainly going to altcoins, even though Bitcoin keeps going. This and nice bounce off this trend line actually. Here, I've got a trade set at 80K, but there is a little bit of a bull flag forming. You see it on the hourly. The only issue, it's too overbought in my opinion to be going long here. So I keep this trade at 80K and then I'll take it to the 100K target, 28 risk to reward ratio. So I've got to trade at 80K, 79,500 stop loss, risking 740 to make 21,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. 10x leverage will be 210,000. And this is the trade that I've got set on Bybit. So you can see here, this is I've got Bitcoin, 5 Bitcoin at 80K. Uniswap $6.70, I've got 14,000. Ton $4.50, I've got 22,000. So those are the leverage longs. And in spot, I've got Uni at $6 and Uni at $7. And right now, I'm in mainly my positions. World, MCRT, Ton, Uniswap. I was seed invest in all of these, everyone, and hold all of this. You have to do your own due diligence. Let's go into the Telegram. There's 692 of you online. Magicraft update is live. Uni closed 40%. Goat pumping like crazy. And you can just see everyone talking and chatting here in the Telegram. Closing Bitcoin, he closed. Wow, nice trade. Look at his. He sold there, bought at 63 and sold at 90. Binance is can it bounce, breaking out new high for Goat, everyone, which is amazing. Come join him in the chat. 692 of you online, 5,700 members, and you can see it's all in English, everyone. It automatically translates if you get the $1 premium for $1 premium for Doge. This guy's charting it coming, looks like it can break down. $1 premium for Telegram, and it'll automatically translate all the international into And you can get all the link, like you can join us down below on Bybit, sign up down below. Bybit 60K bonus when you meet their trading requirements, the main exchange I trade. CoinW is great for international traders. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And this is the new Doge skin that's in the game in Magicraft, which is amazing. So they will also be integrating Doge cryptocurrencies into the game and different ways to earn crypto. So you can not just play for MCRT, but you can actually trade and swap coins and play for Doge prize and things like this. And you can just see people's comments down below. You can come and join them in the Telegram. The cost of an iPhone comparable to Bitcoin. You can see the iPhone X cost 23.25 Bitcoin. Now the iPhone 16 cost not even 0.05 Bitcoin, which is interesting. 10 skills every millionaire needs: sales, marketing, social media, goal setting, branding, communication, time management, leadership, investing, staying humble. Following you from the stock trading days before the quarantine, your courses and advice led me and my family to financial freedom, prosperity, all. Thank you. You're welcome, FTL Designs. Because you, James, I'm moving to the beach. I love you, James. God bless you and everyone you love. You deserve happiness, eternal happiness. Thank you. And you can just see many comments. And you can see many comments like this. Life changer, and these comments and people's gains. And you can just see what everyone's saying, which is cool. It would be awesome if I could show you in just a different sales window. $1 million today because of your expertise. I'm up 8K. Bought your course a few months ago, and you can just see everyone, you're a genius. Up from my 2K is now 8K, $2 million house from videos, villa. You can just see everyone's bought a Ferrari. You can just watch what everyone commenting down below, which is beautiful. Big congratulations to all of you. Be defensive up here, in my opinion, everyone, even though it's against what everyone else will tell you. I'm protecting my capital now, and you saw my trades, and I'm being very defensive on the longs. I'm more spots on breakouts here, and I'm moving mainly into alts after this big Bitcoin pump. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.